Gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, is the most common GI disorder in the United States, affecting approximately 25% of patients. When you eat, after you swallow, a muscular tube called the esophagus carries the food down into the stomach. There's a valve, or a thickened muscle layer, at the bottom of this tube called the lower esophageal sphincter. When this valve isn't working correctly, reflux occurs. When you have reflux, you get symptoms such as heartburn, or trouble swallowing, or coughing, or even wheezing. And if you have any of these symptoms, you should see your physician. Most commonly, GERD can be treated with medications and lifestyle modifications alone. However, there are some patients whose medications either cause side effects or the medications fail to control their symptoms. These are patients that may ultimately benefit from a surgical procedure called a fundoplication. Minimally invasive fundoplication is performed here at Phoenixville Hospital and is one of my specialties.